Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. If you're on the lookout for some new beach towels, I have to tell you about these beautiful towels from Lane Linen. So this comes with a 2-pack, and there are some features that I just absolutely love. First of all, the size. So these are so big. They cover you so well if you want to wrap up. I feel like if you want to put this on a pool chair or lay it out on the beach, it would be perfect because you just have so much room. But the really convenient thing is, even though you get a great amount of room with the towel, the material is nice and thin, so it folds up really small for you to be able to pack away super easily. So I just love that. I had a chance to take these to the pool. I thought the absorbency did really well. The material is nice and comfortable, and I love the design too. They just have a really nice look to them. So I was super happy with these. I highly recommend. And that's my point of view.